Giggling with glee, the joyful sound of happiness. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delightful phrase that's music to the ears. Giggling with glee. This expression is packed with joy and mirth, and understanding it can add a vibrant layer to your English communication. So, let's unravel the meaning behind this cheerful phrase and explore how you can use it in your daily conversations. At its core, giggling with glee combines two words that are all about happiness and fun. Giggling is a light, often uncontrollable, laugh that's usually a response to something amusing or ticklish. It's softer and more subdued than a full-blown laugh but is unmistakably joyful. Glee, on the other hand, is a word that denotes great delight or happiness, often more than what a simple smile can convey. When someone is described as giggling with glee, it means they're experiencing a moment of pure joy, finding something so delightful that it triggers this adorable, infectious sound of happiness. To bring this phrase to life, let's look at some examples. Imagine a child opening a gift on their birthday and finding exactly what they wished for. Their reaction? Giggling with glee. Picture a group of friends sharing a light-hearted joke or a funny story. The room fills with the sound of people giggling with glee. Think of someone watching a favorite comedy show, and a particular scene makes them burst into soft, gleeful laughter. They're giggling with glee at the humor. These scenarios show how giggling with glee can be a universal response to joy, transcending age and context. This phrase isn't just for descriptive purposes. It can be a delightful addition to your conversational vocabulary. Here's how you can use it. To express your own joy. I was giggling with glee the whole time during the movie. It was hilarious. To describe someone else's happiness. Seeing her giggling with glee at the surprise made everyone else smile too. In storytelling. And then, as the punchline was delivered, the room erupted, everyone giggling with glee. Giggling with glee is a beautiful expression that captures the essence of joy and amusement in a way few other phrases do. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life and how they often evoke the most genuine reactions. We hope this video has brought a bit of that joy into your day and that you'll find reasons to giggle with glee in your own life. Remember, laughter is a universal language, and embracing it can make learning English even more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.